Aloha. I'm Renee Kraft. I'm a real estate broker here on Hawaii Island, and I have been in real estate here on Hawaii Island full time since 2005. And I have been assisting buyers and sellers in a variety of different types of transactions for condos, single family homes, vacant lots, 1031 exchanges, vacation rentals, long-term, short-term investments, second homes, first-time homes, you name it. I got my start on Oahu, where I am from, and I attended the University of Hawaii at Manoa, where I studied economics and psychology, which have proven to be a great combination in my career. If you're looking for assistance in buying and selling in West Hawaii, I would love the opportunity to connect with you. Have a great day. Aloha.